Fellow citizens, what we are witnessing in the Tembisa hospital scandal is not just another corruption story. It's a test of whether justice in this country still has meaning. How is it possible that after such extensive investigations, after thousands of documents reviewed, after clear links established, there is still no arrest? We are told that evidence must be converted into admissible form. Fine, due process matters. But due process must never become an excuse for paralysis. When over 1,700 procurement files are scrutinized, when over 900 of them are flagged as irregular, when dozens of service providers are linked to one individual, and when assets worth almost $1 billion, consisting of 8 luxury properties and 11 supercars, are traced back to the same individual, the public is left asking one very simple question: what more is needed for Maumela to get arrested? This is money that was meant for healthcare, meant for patients, meant for a hospital that serves the most vulnerable. Instead, it funded a lifestyle of extreme excess. 3 Lamborghinis, 2 Ferraris, 2 Aston Martins, a Bentley Continental, a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, and a Pagani Roadster with 52 million rand. While ordinary South Africans sit in overcrowded clinics, someone is driving wealth built on their suffering. And then there is the issue of proxies, a business holding assets on behalf of those implicated in crime. 5 of Hawani's cars were seized from Omar Kardin in Mpumalanga. Omar Kardin served as a proxy for Maumela, holding his cars in their garage. This raises serious concerns. If private entities knowingly assist in concealing proceeds of crime, they are not neutral bystanders. They become part of the program. Accountability cannot stop at individuals. It must extend to every enabler in the chain. Why would a car dealership serve as a proxy for a billionaire? In February this year, the special tribunal ordered the return of those 5 cars to the car dealership on condition that the dealership provide alternative security with the curator for the full value of the vehicles to be released. Omar have so far filed a notice of appeal to the full bench of the Johannesburg High Court against the tribunal because it wants the vehicles to be released unconditionally. I think this dealership should also be prosecuted as an accomplice, since it has been established that it is not serving as proxy for Maumela only, but also for other people who are implicated in this case. Ramaphosa's silence on this matter is also a very big concern. He was very quick to suspend General Maumela, but he is mum on his nephew. The public has been patient, but patience is not infinite. Every delay chips away at trust in law enforcement and trust in the prosecuting authority. South Africa doesn't need promises. It needs action, and above all, it needs justice that is not selective and delayed.